In this video, we'll show you how to set the ATS-22 soft start for 3-wire control. Now, 3-wire control basically means that you are using momentary push buttons, and in 3-wire you have LI1 and LI2 terminals that will be utilized, where your LI1 is your stop terminal and LI2 is your start pulse terminal. And as always with 3-wire, your LI1 is a normally closed stop and LI2 is a normally open push button momentary start. From the factory, this is always programmed as 2-wire, not 3. So if you want to change that, from the main screen, you want to go ahead and arrow down into the I/O menu. Looks like a 1-0. Enter. And you want to find LI2, first parameter there. Enter. And you want to set it to start. So currently, as you can tell, it's set to run, which is default for 2-wire. So we want to arrow down and find start. Enter, and now the soft start realizes that your LI1, LI2 are configured for 3-wire. The last thing I want to mention here is that at any given point, if you see an NRDY in a 3-wire configuration setting, that just means that your LI1 is not made yet. Or you also could mean that you have no 3-phase power, but in most cases that just means that your LI1 is not getting any control power. And of course that means your stop is open. And this concludes how to program your 22 soft start for 3-wire control.